More music on trendybeats.com.
Who they check out? So back we move, we go reckon. 7 David Beckham, nothing fit to shake my mental. Come close without the permission. Monday, we get the money. Nothing we could give me condition. And shout it, I no get alone.
Baddest boy, let me come biggest boy. Now chicken up and the mad boy. Fine boy, la mongo. Yeah, you know the city, I no get joy. Now I no get joy. Can I call me baddest boy? Oh, baddest boy. Yeah, yeah, baddest boy. Let me come biggest boy. Now chicken up and the mad boy. Fine boy, la mongo. Yeah, you know the system, no get joy. Now I no get joy. You can never call me baddest boy. Oh, baddest boy. Yeah, yeah. Sure, you know the fear face. Sure, you say you get grace. Because I gentle, you want to take space. Sure, you know I get taste.
Oh, you go chop Nigerian Koboko. Straight from Magodo. Uma Kibe Morogo. Give them.
Baddest boy. Let me come biggest boy. Now chicken up and the mad boy. Fine boy, la mongo. Yeah, you know the system, no get joy. Now I no get joy. You can never call me baddest boy. Oh, baddest boy. Yeah, yeah, baddest boy.
Good morning. RTC broadcasting live at Nassau State University. We are in ESP Center empowering the youth and students on how to be vocationally empowered on ICT, the courses GSM repair, phone repairs, computer repairs, and the CCTV installation. So part of the topic we are treating today is a basic procedure on how to unlock your modem, a network lock device, to make it universal. For example, we have MTN already purchased in the market or Glo purchased in the market. Putting another SIM become a challenge for you to use. So how do you bypass the encryption the MTN or the Glo or the Etisalat manufacturer has already encrypted on that device? So the following are the procedure on how to unlock the modem free using 2 different software. First is called Universal Master Code Unlocker, while the second one is called DC Unlocker. So we walk through the first one, which is called Universal Master Code Unlocker. So now with this step you have on the screen here, every modem have what we call IME number. The IME number is to be used. The IME number is to be used to unlock the device. There's a software we are going to open that will make use of. You go to my computer, I have the software we are going to open from all-in-one software. You go to modem unlocker here. We have modem unlocker here. Among the software you see, there are different software you can actually use in unlocking modem. So one of the software is called Universal Master Code Unlocker. So with the software, it enables you to unlock modem and some phone. So you come, for example, we have a highway modem we want to unlock. I'll come to the platform there. I have different phones, devices that the software can unlock. I'll come to highway here, and I will come here. There is a IME number already showing here, which came with the software. So you have to delete that IME number. On the back of your modem, there is a number written called IMEI number. So you just type the number on your software and click on calculate. So for example, you might have some models. These are the models that the something support. Then you come back here, you select possibly this model and come to calculate. Immediately click on calculate, the software generates a code for you that you use to disable the encryption the manufacturer has already encrypted on that device that you're having. So the same method you are using for this modem sometimes is also applicable to phone. So now you can see unlock code already showing here. If you count this code, is 8-digit code. So how do you now put this code into your modem to make it universal? Don't forget the modem is automatically before locked by a network. So for example, we pick maybe Glo as a sample, which doesn't allow us to do what? To put another SIM inside and make use of the modem. Now, by the time we now unlock it now, we can put Etisalat, Airtel, and even 9 mobile, and the modem will work very fine. So we have already gotten unlocking code and then flash code. So from what we have here, we are just going to now open the software, open the modem after already installing the code. I'm unlocking this now. Immediately you put MTN SIM inside, this is the information here that you will see. You just come like this, you make this one very big so that you can see the write-up. It's telling you now, this modem has been encrypted by Globe. Provide your unlock code to make this modem work with the MTN SIM you put inside. So you cannot use the modem at the moment because the SIM inside is not Globe. So it will not initialize the setup for the modem. So you have to put that code you have already generated with that universal code unlocker inside this place here and press OK before the modem will now be automatically diverging and then it will work with any SIM. So you just come here to the software again, you copy the number you have already got it. You keep this one by the side here like this. Don't forget you have already used the IMEI number on this modem. We've typed it there, we've calculated and we have the code. So the code we have is what we have here. You can see these two now. We have unlock code and flash code. We don't need the flash code, we only need what? The unlock code. So you now get the number from there. 337 something, you just come here, you type the 3377 number you are having and you see cancel and OK down. Then you just come to OK. Once you press the OK, the modem automatically will be unlocked. So that's one of the steps on how to unlock your modem. Whether MTN, whether Glo, whether Excellent, whether Airtel. So that's one software you can use. Then if you have another latest modem that the software you have does not support, you can still as well use what we call DC unlocker. So the DC unlocker is a bit different from that universal master code. There's some stubborn modem or higher modem which that former one cannot unlock, and it is only this DC unlocker that you can use to unlock it. So you can actually go on Google, download the universal master code or download DC unlocker crack. The crack is the crack one that you don't need to pay money online before you can unlock it. So let's walk through how that works also. So from the software we call RTC All-in-One, you can come like this, you go to the software. Now I also have DC crap here already showing. I will open the software that you are going to use what we call DC unlocker to do. Now the name of the version of this one is here showing DC unlocker 2 cleanse version 1000, just version 1.0. Then assuming now the modem has been plugged in, another SIM network will be inserted inside that modem. So immediately you plug it, it will show you modem status. You just come here, you select number one, select which modem. Is it highway? Is it ZTE? Commonly in Nigeria we have two major networks of modem, which is highway and ZTE. So you just come here, you click on ZTE or highway. This is ZTE now. Why this one is highway modem? Are we following? Am I too fast? Now you come back here, you come to automatically the modem is already plugged, you've already installed it, you have already put another SIM inside. So it will show you option here to search. You search for the modem. It will not give you a status under here that this modem is currently locked because it's seeing another SIM and it's MTN, but you put Glo SIM inside. Because it's locked, it will tell you the lock status now is locked. So once you show that locked, you now come to this place, you see unlocking, you just see the option here. It's not enabled now because there is no currently there is no modem inside. But if the modem is there and it's locked with a SIM, I mean you put another SIM inside, definitely that place will show you enabled. So you are just going to click on unlock. Within 1 second, it will give you modem successfully unlocked. This one does not need you to generate code and type it inside the modem. But what you need to do is to do what? You just press the unlock, the software penetrates into the modem itself and remove the security encryption that has been embedded by the manufacturer. So once that is done, automatically your phone is 100% unlocked. So you cannot put any SIM of your choice. If you travel to a place, MTN network is not browsing, network is bad, you can put Glo SIM and you enjoy your browsing. And you can put the salad and the rest. Are we together? So that's the procedure on how you can unlock your modem. The challenge you might now have is if you unlock the phone, you put SIM, another network SIM inside. For example, I have MTN, I put Glo inside. When you now want to connect the modem, it will tell you net connection error because the SIM is Glo and the setup of that software is MTN. The settings is not the same SIM you have inside, so it do not connect. You have to do what we call configuration. So and that configuration will now be done using that settings we used yesterday. So I think with this, with any modem you are having, this is the procedure on how you can bypass and unlock any modem that is locked by a network provider or manufacturer to make it universal. So thank you very much for your attention. We hope this will be of advantage for you as you go. Download on the internet.
Do you need internet?
No, you don't need internet. There are some that you have to pay money online for. Just like you have a credit, you already convert to data. So that data can enable you to do whatever you want to do. So currently this one now does not need any payment. Once you download this, a free software you can use to unlock. Once on your system, you just follow the same procedure, you get your device unlocked. So have a great day. Assuming now my system is not showing, I powered it on, nothing show on the screen. So what do I do? It's only professional that can look at the board like this and understand which type of BVR3. PC3, we have PC3L too. Those are the latest laptops that come to that one. So sometimes some systems use PC3, some use PC3L. Sometimes if you combine both, it will affect the system not to display. Sometimes some boards are designed that both of them can work on the on the system. So removing the RAM, assuming now you touch the 2 hanger. Once you touch that 2 hanger, you can easily remove this one like this. So removing this now, that means you have detached the RAM. So assuming the RAM is not difficult, guys can do, women can do better too with it. You just connect this one like this, then you now put this one down.
My name is Nsuk-Edc Precious.
I'm by name Ayigbola Mide Felogun, Faculty of Natural Gas and Department of Computer Science.
And today I'll be talking on how to install a CCTV in your home. In installing a CCTV, there are basic things needed. You need a camera.
You also have different type of camera. You have indoor camera. You have standalone, you have fish eyes.
You need an adapter, a 12-volt adapter. You need a mouse. Then you need your BNC connector. The BNC connector has the male and female ports.
You have just like positive and negative, which negative has to marry negative and positive with positive.
And power splitter as well. A monitor, a DVR, which is digital video recorder. You need
monitor with hard drive. It can actually work without hard drive, but you won't be able to monitor what is going on in your house because you won't be able to record anything. But when you buy a hard drive into you, you'll be able to connect to maybe your device like your phone. You can be in your office and be monitoring what's going on in your house. If there's any movement or anything going on in your house.
Now, so this is already detached the screen from the inches. This iron here you are seeing here is the inches. So any screen of a laptop you remove that you are seeing that 2 wire is there. I don't know if everybody can see like this. So there is one flex that come up, there is one wire again that is hooking it down. Yeah. So that means this screen is wired because of this additional one that is there. I don't mean it's wireless, it's only this one that is here that you will see. Wire. That's what we call a wired screen. But looking at the size now, what's the size using here? This is 15.4. That's the number here. So why this one is 14 inches? This one is also 14 inches. So how do you get the number? You see one number written in the front here. Model, they will write 15 something. One number will continue, will be, this is B140. That means 14.0. So this one is N154. That means 15.4. So that's how you can check the size of the screen. Are we together? So this one is wired because of this one here. Why these ones are wireless? So you look at the interface of the flex here, this is big than this one. So, but if you don't have the internet, you can start on the internet and say, okay, what's this laptop model? HP650. You just go to Google browser, download driver for Wi-Fi, it will show for 64-bit or 32-bit. The driver setup will not be downloaded.
Who they check out? So back we move, we go record. 7 David Beckham, nothing fit to shake my mental. Come close without permission. Monday, we get the money. Nothing we could give me condition. And shout it, I no get alone me.
Baddest boy, it me come biggest boy. Now chicken up on the bad boy. Fine boy, I'm all gone. Yeah, you know the system, I no get joy. Now I no get joy. Can I call me baddest boy? Oh, baddest boy. Yeah, yeah, baddest boy. It me come biggest boy. Now chicken up on the bad boy. Fine boy, I'm all gone. Yeah, you know the system, no get joy. Now I no get joy. Can I call me baddest boy? Oh, baddest boy. Yeah, yeah. Sure you know the fear face. Sure you say you get grace. Because I gentle, you want to take space. Sure you know I get taste.